Welcome to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to show you how to reduce your PDF file size using a free tool called PDFgear. Let's make your PDFs smaller while keeping them sharp and clear. First, let's get PDFgear. Open your browser and go to pdfgear.com link in the description. Click Download at the top. Once downloads, install and open the app. You'll see a sleek interface with tons of PDF tools ready for our compression task. Now, let's shrink our PDF file. In PDFgear, click Compress PDF from the Hot Tools section on the left. Drag your PDF file into the AppMine's important document, sitting at 4 MB on my desktop. Once it loads, you'll see 3 compression modes: low, medium, and high. Choose medium for a great balance of size and quality with no loss. You can add more files for batch compression if you want. Hold Control and select others. Click Compress to start. It'll take a few seconds. When it's done, the app shows the new size. Mine dropped to 2.39 MB, and it still looks perfect. Let's confirm it worked. Open the new file in any PDF reader to check the quality and images should be crystal clear. Right-click the file, select Properties, and check the size means down to 2.39 MB from 4 MB. Compare it to the original file by opening both side by side. If it looks good, you're all set. This method keeps your PDFs professional while saving space. That's it, how to reduce PDF file size without losing quality on Windows in 2025, keeping it sharp and clear. Now your PDFs are easier to share or store. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. Drop a comment. What PDF trick do you want next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tech tips. Keep creating and have fun.